the arrival of that winter storm we've been talking about all week. The heavy rain we're seeing will only get stronger, and Governor Hochul has declared a state of emergency for tomorrow. Photojournalist Alan Lesner is in Mobile, too. He's tracking conditions. Right now, you're looking at the approach to the GW Bridge, going nowhere fast in Washington Heights. We've got team coverage. Ali Bauman is at LaGuardia, and Christine Sloan is in Middlesex County, but we begin with Lonnie Quinn and the red alert. Lonnie.
I think the takeaway from this storm is going to be travel problems, flight delays, things like that out there. And look, you could catch some power outages because of those winds blowing out there as well. We're going to hold against that because the temperatures are really going to drop. And you don't want to have a power outages when the temperatures are down, well below freezing. A little bit of a break right now in the rain for Monmouth, Ocean County, Essex, Hudson Union, Staten Island, and Brooklyn will break for you. But look, there's more rain to come. It's on the way. We've got some snow up in Sullivan County. 2 inches of snow. If you zoom in tight, you're going to find that's all changing. There may be a couple of snowflakes that still linger, but everything is turning to rain.
Scarlet and Violet is back.
And look, what was heavy snow around Oneonta and Portland is now really
and
heavy
is
rain.
finally allowing me to debut one of the newest releases for Scarlet and Violet itself. Tonight we're going to draw Rabsca, one of the newest releases for the series.
Maybe tomorrow, 11 a.m., maybe lunchtime, 1 p.m. This front right here is going to
basically, he's an old Pokemon who has this
factor as of 10 o'clock tonight until 10 o'clock Friday night. Now it's the entire area. Yesterday when I showed you this map, the National Weather Service had peppered the areas, mostly coastal areas.
Well, it's
the potential is there.
Sort of a
40, maybe 50, even a potential for 55-mile-per-hour gusts out there. Initially, coming in off the water, they're going to turn, becoming west and north, which will bring in the cold air. But as long as they're coming off the water, especially for your high tide cycle, tomorrow morning, we're focusing on 3 a.m. to 1 p.m. Coastal flood warnings are in effect for all of our areas and the shoreline, and then a temperature drop takes place.
I'd say stand up and fight.
On Friday morning, it's 13. 24 hours later, Saturday
Next up,
morning.
we have this
one
here.
Like 15 below zero. Big changes out there. We're going to talk about all of this, and when we see things normalizing a bit, because that is not normal. It's coming up a little bit later. Take it all yours.
Winter coming in like a lion. Yeah. Tough one. Yeah. All right, let's go to Christine Quinn. She's continuing team coverage along the Garden State Parkway in South Amboy. Christine, it looks like you got some wind, some rain, some cold, a little bit of everything, huh?
Yeah, Dick, in the last hour, we've noticed the wind.
There we go. There's the upper half.
State officials are really concerned about later tonight and tomorrow. As Lonnie was saying, we could expect all that rain could cause flooding.
Now let's draw.
Down the Jersey Shore.
This is the giant rose that he always brings on his back. It's really, really huge.
Freezing over, making those roadways very slippery, and that's not all. Strong winds could bring down power lines. The governor says transportation officials and crews are on standby. Utility companies are ready for all of this. Drivers say they're just going to take it slow.
Give myself extra time to get where I gotta go, and that's it. Space between the car in front of you and behind you, hopefully, and take turns easy. Don't do anything crazy. Everyone gets there safe.
And this is going to be, we're told, one of the coldest Christmases in a while. So everybody just bundle up and pull through all of this. We're live on the John Bon Jovi rest area in South Amboy. Christine Sloan, CBS 2 News.
I don't know much about this orb that he has. I think it's some kind of, well, giant. Either it's some kind of special plants or
here the airport have gotten even more busy in just the last hour or so. Of course, as more flights get canceled, the line talked with ticket
or maybe it's some kind of bomb,
and some airlines are warning
or it's some kind of chest. Well, I'm gonna go with chest. Yeah, I definitely go with that. I don't know much about it, but I'm glad I drew it. That's how you draw Rabsca. Farewell, folks. Where's that off button?